Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Nahum Architect here on YouTube. In today's video, I'll teach you how to rotate the true north in Revit. Want to know how? So let's get straight to the point. I have the project open. First, on the site floor plan, come down here. Click on the sun and enable the sun path. As you can see, it's very big, isn't it? To reduce it, click on the sun path, go to the properties and reduce the percentage to 100%. Unfortunately, until this version 2022, we can't reduce more than that, as the warning on the screen shows. Click out, go to the properties and choose the orientation option, where we'll shift from project north to true north. In this project, here is the north indicated and it will be used to rotate the true north. First, using the LI shortcut, I will create a detail line parallel to the true north. Go to Manage Lab, go in Position, and choose Rotate True North. Option enabled. Change the rotation point by clicking on Place. Click in the meeting between the north and the detail line. Click on North again and rotate towards the detail line. Project rotated successfully. Zoom out, I go back to Orientation and choose again Project North. Delete the line and disable the sun path. That's it for me today. I hope this tip was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.